Consider the following experiment. Suppose next Monday morning you receive a phone call from a man claiming to represent an organization called the California Consumers Group. The reason this man is calling is because he would like to know if you are willing to participate in a survey regarding the various household products that you use daily. All he needs is 2 hours of your time and free access to your home while a group of, say, 5 or 6 men rummage through your stuff and take inventory. Now, obviously, this is a wildly intrusive request, so it is no wonder that only 22% of the subjects agree to take part in the survey. Now, let's shake things up a bit. Suppose that instead of rummaging through your stuff, the surveyor wants to know if you would be willing to answer a few basic questions over the phone about which brands of soap you use to clean your kitchen. That's not so bad, right? Answer a few questions, thank you for your time, and you're done. 3 days later, the gentleman contacts you again and asks to take another survey. All he needs is 2 hours of your time and free access to your home while a group of, say, 5 or 6 men rummage through your stuff and take inventory. In all respects, this is exactly the same unreasonable request as before. The only difference is that it has now been preconditioned by an agreement 3 days prior to answer 8 mundane questions about soap. Surely, such a flimsy pretext would have no effect on compliance, right? Wrong. The mere act of securing a minor agreement more than doubled the success rate for the intrusive request. This is the basis for what is called the foot in the door technique. The probability of generating compliance with any request is greatly increased when agreement is first secured to a much smaller commitment.
Ever stolen any?